Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by updating both devices and choosing a connection method. Make sure the Ps5 is on the latest system software and your Xbox controller has current firmware and charge. If you plan wired, plug the controller with a USB-C cable into a Ps5 USB port now. If you plan wireless, have a compatible Bluetooth adapter ready. Ps5 native Bluetooth often blocks third-party controllers. Once done, position devices within a few feet and prepare to pair or set wired mode. You now execute the core connection. For wired use, plug the Xbox controller firmly into the Ps5 USB port. The console should detect it and assign input. For wireless, plug the adapter into the Ps5, switch it to Xbox controller mode, then press the adapter's pairing button followed by the Xbox controller's pair button until LEDs flash. Make sure the Ps5 recognizes a generic controller under settings. If an adapter needs a specific driver mode, switch per its instructions, and you finish by confirming the controller works and addressing problems. Go to Ps5 settings, accessories, then controllers to verify detection and map inputs if needed. Test a simple game or the home menu to ensure buttons and sticks respond. Understand that dual sense features like haptics and adaptive triggers won't work with an Xbox controller. If it fails, update firmware on both devices, restart the Ps5 and controller. Try a different USB port or adapter mode and reattempt pairing. These fixes result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.